It's an issue that some people want the Maverick to hide from. But it's an issue that will not disappear until Jamaican super youngster Leon Bailey actually plays international football. The issue of Craig Butler versus the JFF. Butler is still suggesting that the coaching staff looks at his son Kyle and a few other elite Phoenix players while expressing a new willingness to meet with the JFF hierarchy in the presence of a named mediator, the Honorable Minister of Sport. But of course the Butler haters say, no, we cannot negotiate with this man. It has never happened anywhere else in the world, and Butler is a nobody in Jamaica football and blah, blah, blah. But you know, show me another country anywhere in the world with as complex a cobweb as exists with Leon Bailey, Craig Butler, and the JFF. There is none. Our situation are our situation. Jamaica is the only country with the elite talent of a Leon Bailey intertwined with the enigma of a Craig Butler and a JFF. So it's we alone have to deal with it. As long as we want the baller to play for Jamaica, we have to do what we have to do. When people talk about Butler to this and Butler to that, and he must change his ways and horse dead and cow fat, those same enigmatic characteristics drove this man to jump on a plane with Leon Bailey and other Jamaican youngsters, fly into Europe in search of football fame and fortune, while the entire Jamaican football fraternity was badmouthing him and preaching doom and gloom. So it's the same Jamaican football fraternity that created the monster called Craig Butler. You never have to deal with it.